Hello everyone, welcome to the How to channel. In this video, we are going to tell specifically about how we be able to efficiently use what would be Cloud Project. For this, we have to keep in mind the application itself of this artificial intelligence cloud. As such, this is going to allow you to do an endless number of things. To be honest, personally, for me, at least, it's much better than even ChatGPT or Gemini in this case. To me, it seems much more efficient, and by the cost, particularly all of these tools go from $20 an app. As we'll be able to observe, I have what will be Cloud Pro. So as I was telling you, for me, it's continued to be one of the most efficient artificial intelligence so far in comparison to others that are already in the market. What is going to be able to help us do? It's going to be able to help us with what we be writing and communication. In other words, it's going to be able to draft text, emails, and so on. It's going to do a rationing analysis. It's going to generate help with what we be programming. Even the pro version is coming include with will be Cloud Code. We also have Cloud Design. We will in some other video we'll be able to talk specifically about Cloud Design. In addition to do this, it's also helps you with solving math and science problems, research and learning, and really many other things, including the automation of different types of projects that we have in mind or tasks we have in mind. Now, we're going to have to do, in this case, we're going to tell specifically projects. As you can see in this case here on this little tab on the left, we are going to have many options. We are going to have specifically to do this one project, and we are going to open in another little tab here. As well, be able to observe this project area, this work for you to practically be able to add what will be the different type of them in which task is going to be specific and it's going to always be the same. For this, what we are going to have to do in this open a new project, we are going to click here, and as you can see, we are going to do the customization of this new project. Now let's give you a small introduction of how we are going to publish of your project. In this case, we are simply going to leave here and we are going to give the project name. In this case, at the temp, what can we do as temp? Maybe we'll be able to enter what will be coding, will be to enter medicine, will be enter language, English, Spanish, however we want to do it, or what the project will be based on, or the word we are going to ask for the specifically in this section. So we are going to put, for example, medicine, just to give an example. And here it's as to describe what we're going to have with this section. We're going to put, for example, medical language, scientific articles on medicine, and learning of medicine general. In general, we are going to put this here, and we're going to leave in the way. In this case, I have to read in English. I'm going to regarding or whatever I speak to it in English or Spanish is going to be the same. And we are simply going to hit create project. And as you can see, specifically a new chat is created for use, which we're going to talk to it or rather what we should do. It's only about medicine. In this case, if we want to enter a new project, we are going to head back here. As you can see, we already have what will be the medicine project, and we're going to opt, for example, to a new project. And this project, we are going to talk about coding. Let's see in spelling coding correctly. Okay. We are going to put the programming language, and here codes we're going to put coding itself. We here it's really my son's sweet, but we used to put something, and we are going to also put maybe automation. Okay, and we are going to hit create project. So we already have one side, what be coding, and we have medicine. In this case, we're going to enter directly into what be the medicine section. As you can see, we're going to have this entire section or this entire dashboard, however you want to call it. We're going to be able to load what with the files. We're going to be able to add what with the instruction here. The memory is activated. As you can see, the memory is only for use. In the other words, the company as such here ensures that no one else is going to be able to obtain this information. And in this case, for example, we're going to tag as any question regarding medicine, and we're going to say, explain to me how the running angiotensin aldosterone system works. Okay, we are going to hit enter, and we are going to wait for it develop what will be the topic. And as you can see, it's doing it quite quickly. It doesn't take that much time to think. And in this case, it gives you what will be a medical explanation of what we asked it for. In this case, if you want to be much more specific, as you can see, in any case, it's just the explanation pretty simple. We are going to do the same thing, to say the same problem we've sent it, in this case, explain to me in detail how the reading, angiotensin, and aldosterone system work in diagnosing. Okay, in this sense, but in this case, we are simply going to have it explained in a detailed way. Let's see how much is the text generates and how good the generation of the content is. So we are simply going to wait a bit and we have to see. In this case, you can see how already generate is of these sections. It already tells you what the components are. In other words, it's classified them one by one. Components, let's see what helps come up. What be the stimulates that activate the system. That is to say, its comparison to the first text, we didn't ask each such a detailed way. In the second step, we already see a much longer topic. Okay, what's interesting here? We are going to head back the projects, and here you can see we already have what will be the two project. We have with the space, this specific space, we are going to be able to change the project, change it from another place. That is sense it, for example, the coding, something we are not going to do, but be able to choose it. So the simply by clicking here, we already have the conversation set up. Okay, here is the still generation, what will be the content. As you can see, it's going to pretty well. In other words, it's really help you with the topics. If it's for the topics of presentation, for the topic of learning better is a specific way without reading so many books. The video helps use a lot. Based on this, we are going to head back the project as it was saying. We are going to close this little tab. We are going to head back to what will be the medicine. As you can see, it even tells you the time in which we been that the content was generated. We are going to be able to blow up what be PDF. And for example, right now I'm going to look for an article, and I'm going to add what be the article within what we be the file section. So I'm going to make a small code, and I'll see you next. In this case, we already load what will be the document, and we have to keep the following in mind. The document is already loaded. We are going to write it with here simply what relationship does what explained to me with the PDF of the article. The article called give me the details of the sale of the based on what is referred to article, and we are going to leave in this way, and we are going to send it here. And once what it's going to do is simply read the article that we put within the project, and that way is going to start generating the response. In this case, it's going to take a little longer, but this can make more than a few minutes or even seconds. And as we be able to observe, this is the result, something quite complex. I think it's the developing it. No, it's anymore. It already finished developing it, and it simply gives you the guidelines of the news updates, and this is going to be found with what will be the project, all with the intention that we simply have everything in the same place. That is to say, we don't have to go part by part or be looking for what be these documents, this file, or simply have everything in the same place with the same theme. Likewise, we are going to do the same with what will be the coding section. We do absolutely the same thing, the same theme, sorry, in the same way and with the same capacity that the artificial intelligence has to explain to you this in the title edge your sections. Something else I forgot to emphasize in this, we have the ability to enter what be instruction to Claude. This is to say we are going to click and what will be the instruction section. We are going to click here and we are going to ask it, for example, we are in medical environment. We are saying to say, explain in everything in the title weight, or recent updates in medicine. Okay. We are going to save it and instruction. Likewise, we are going to be able to modify what be the instruction. So don't worry about that. As you can see, we have a certain capacity to use will be the file storage. So that also something we have to keep in mind. This file doesn't weigh to that much, but as you can see, it's stuck 3%, and will be the total capacity of this project. And this way, we are going to be able to keep entering more projects to do it already to use it specifically for its sections in which we are going to, and this way we are going to be able to get most of your be the projects within Cloud. And well, that will be everything.